Good morning and welcome to the beautiful St. Kitts. We went up to Windjammer to get some breakfast, brought it to our balcony for a beautiful view coming in. Our plan for St. Kitts is we rented a car from Avis. It says it's like a 5-minute walk once you get off the cruise ship. You do need an international driver's permit for St. Kitts, but the prices are on the website. It's like $24. You can only do a 3-month one. That's like the lowest one. But we're going to go sightseeing and we're going to go snorkeling. So we're going to hit the Timothy Hill Overlook, the Brimstone Fortress, and then we're going to get some awesome snorkel spots in. So I'll see you guys when we're getting off in St. Kitts. We're all set to go. Time to get off the ship. Oh, that ship is so big. Absolutely beautiful, though. After about a 5 to 10 minute walk, we're at Avis. This is where we're getting our car from. Got my temporary St. Kitts and Nevis license. Well, this is definitely different. I mean, we've driven in the Virgin Islands plenty of times on the left-hand side of the road, but being on the right side is definitely a little sketchy. But I'm glad we got a rental car for the day. Well, I tried to get a drone flight in. Unfortunately, when I tried to unlock the GeoZone to fly, it said it wasn't available at the time. So if I can't fly my drone here, then hopefully I can in St. Thomas or Coco Cay. But if not, I already got some good shots from Miami and I can get some more when we come back. Now we're about to head to the Brimstone Fort. The rental car cost $103 for the day and we went with an SUV and it was a $24 fee. So altogether after taxes, I believe it was like maybe close to $140 US to rent this vehicle. That's way cheaper than an excursion, and look at how beautiful this island drive is. Right now on the way to the fortress, we've kind of just been winding in and around this road right by the water. Some of the drivers in St. Kitts are a little crazy, so if you do rent a car, just be cautious. Remember, you don't have to speed anywhere, but I'm definitely glad we rented this car. Some of these little towns, they do look a little run down, but you know, that's most Caribbean islands. But this island is beautiful, like the towering mountains in the background. I always love the nice curvy roads. I'm still getting used to driving on the left-hand side of the road on the right side. And the blinker and this is a little backwards. Oh, look, the police. But it's not bad. So we're almost to the fortress. But you guys know me, if you've been watching my vlogs for a while, I love shipwrecks. And I just found one. And I believe I can fly my drone here. That shipwreck looks really cool. It's time to take flight. Pretty decent drone flight. Time to head up to the fortress. This is a beautiful drive up to the fortress. So to get in is $15 per person. So for me and Britt, it was $30. But this is a beautiful drive up to the Brimstone Hill Fortress. This is a pretty steep path up to Fort George, which is on the top. But these views just keep getting better. Wow. This view is leaving me speechless right now. A quick few facts about the Brimstone Hill Fortress is this was built around the 1700s, completed anywhere between 1690 and 1710 from what I read. There's probably a sign around here somewhere, but that was just a quick Google search. Also, this is the earliest remaining polygonal system of a fortress build, which is pretty cool. And last quick fact, it sits 800 feet above sea level. Definitely an ideal defense position. Time to enter the fort. So cool. Nice. For reference of how high up we are, there's that tugboat shipwreck. I was flying my drone around earlier. We're not completely up this hill yet, but it's pretty high up. There is more you can see here at the Brimstone Fortress, but we got a few more stops, so we're gonna hit the road and go to where we're headed next. Driving through these are cool, but man, are they tight. And it's just a one lane, and it's pretty sketchy. I'm not gonna lie, but it's beautiful at the same time. We made it to the snorkel spot that I've been dying to get to at St. Kitts. After a lot of research, I found this awesome place. This is called Majors Bay. It's pretty much all the way at St. Kitts, because that's Nevis over there, or Nevis, however you pronounce that. But I think you might be able to jump off of this here. But either way, this is like a cool type of shipwreck. And as you can see, there is like nobody here. There's people all the way down at that end. But we have this beach all to ourselves. Switching to the GoPro, let's get in the water.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now. Right now, get it right now. Right now, get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now.
The snorkeling wasn't terrible here, but the water was a little murky. By this little wreck was nice. There were some nice little fish there. But now we're gonna go try our luck at Cockleshell Beach. And then after that, we're gonna go to Timothy Hill Overlook. And then our last stop of the day is gonna be Black Rock Memories. So here's Cockleshell Beach snorkeling. So we had a change of plans. We saw a sign for Turtle Beach, and Cockleshell Beach, it looked nice from the pictures, but it's more of like a upbeat area. So we wanted to come here because this beach also looks pretty legit. And it also looks like we'll have this pretty much all to ourselves. Snorkeling here wasn't terrible, but still no turtles. Brittany did see a spotted eel, but when we went back, it was already gone. Hopefully we have some luck seeing some turtles in St. Thomas tomorrow. Before we get to Black Rocks, we had to stop at the Timothy Hill Overlook, and over to the left, that's the Atlantic Ocean, and to the right, that's the Caribbean Sea. This is a beautiful overlook, but here's the reality. It is a little touristy up here. Our final stop is Black Rocks. We should have stopped here earlier, but I completely forgot that I wanted to go here. This is just gonna be a quick stop, then we're head back, drop the car off, head to the cruise port, hopefully find a good spot to view Icon of the Sea since I can't fly my drone there, and then we're gonna go get some El Loco Fresh when we're back on board. And there's a chicken. And another chicken. And another chicken. There's chickens everywhere. So you walk down this path next to all the vendors here. They actually have a nice viewing deck. And I can already see the black rocks. This place looks really cool. Yeah, if you're in St. Kitts and you rent a car, this is definitely a good stop. It's a quick stop, but it's beautiful to see. Yeah, there's some good wave crashing action right there. Such a beautiful spot. Now it's time to head back to Icon of the Seas. Just a goat chilling, eating some grass. What's up, buddy? Well, we just got back, and this is a first. Due to minimum participation, our Sapphire Beach Snorkeling and Island Drive excursion was canceled. That really sucks because me and Britt were looking forward to going back there because we got married there last February. But anyway, on a positive note, St. Kitts was great. I highly recommend renting a car. That Avis was a quick walk from the cruise port. We paid $103 for the rental car, $22 to refill the rental car up in gas, $24 for the international driver's permit, and then $30 entrance fee to Brimstone. Everything else was free that we went to. So $179 total got us a full great day in St. Kitts. Highly recommend it. Time to go get some El Loco Fresh. Oh yeah, I'm about to get a lot of food after that awesome day in St. Kitts. This is gonna be good. I gotta say, the food on this ship is by far some of the best we've ever had cruising. And something cool is coming to eat right at the Aquadome Market on the outside. You get to watch the Aquadome performers actually practice. So it's a cool spot, definitely to grab a bite to eat. Still really digging this Aquadome Market area. Super awesome. But I'm just coming to get a crepe. Creme de la crepe. Ready to try one of these again. Okay, this is gonna be good. Again, these are at the Aquadome Market. All right, we're up at the Hideaway Bar. We got the perfect spot for sail away. We can look right here to see if there's gonna be any pier runners. And then we got a beautiful view of St. Kitts as we'll be sailing away. We came to the Overlook to try and catch the sunset because it's at the front of the ship today. And I don't know if you guys knew this, but on Icon of the Seas, the Overlook is really the only place where you can view the front of the ship, which I'm all right with because these day beds are awesome. The pods are awesome. And I actually don't mind these big glass windows, but the sunset's blocked. So we're about to head back to the room and get ready to go to the casino. And then after that, we're gonna be going to Playmakers, I guess. Playmakers is pretty good, so we'll do that again. So we just did pretty good in the casino, and now we're at Playmakers. I'm gonna get some chicken wings again because I love the chicken wings. I love it in here. This is definitely one of my favorite spots on Royal. So when you order a dozen wings, you can split them 6 and 6. I went 6 Caribbean jerk, and then 6 of the Major League, which is my favorite flavor. That's it for our day in St. Kitts. It was a great day, but you guys did see that we had our excursion canceled for tomorrow in St. Thomas. We decided we're just going to take a taxi there because we stayed there for a week when we got married, so we know that there's always taxis that are going in and out of Sapphire Beach. They actually have a taxi area right on the resort. So we're going to do that. Hopefully I can get some drone shots of the ship as well. So I'll see you guys in the next episode, which is St. Thomas. And we also have our aqua action that we're going to see as well. Thank you guys. Cruise on.